Quick Start Tutorial. Basic operation. Slide the log to the right, then turn the gimbal apart outwards to expand the Mini S. Open the phone holder from the right. Place the mobile phone into the holder. Then move the mobile phone until it keeps balanced. If it's left heavy, move it rightwards. If it's right heavy, move it leftwards. Then you can turn on the Mini S. Power button. Long press to turn on the gimbal. Short press to make it stand by. Short press again to wake it up. Long press again to turn it off. There is a lock on the roll axis. When you need to fold the Mini S, rotate the upper part clockwise to lock the roll arm. Align the flat part on the pan motor with the front of the handle. Fully slide the log to the right. Rotate the gimbal part inwards till the lock secures. Now the Mini S is ready for storage. Here are several wrong folding operations you need to avoid. Error number 1. The gimbal is folded while the phone holder is not able to be fixed properly. Error caused. The flat part of the pan motor and the front of the handle are not aligned. Please make them align. Error number 2. The lock gets stuck. Error caused. The operator slides the lock and rotates the gimbal at the same time. Please fully slide the log to the right first, then rotate the gimbal. Hold the right arm and rotate the phone holder 90 degrees clockwise. Now the Mini S is in portrait mode.